Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to disable Telegram notifications when your phone is shut down. This is a handy feature that can help you avoid disturbances during those quiet moments. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Telegram app. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that icon to reveal a menu. Next, locate and select Settings from the menu options.
This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and find Notification and Sounds. Tap on it to see the various notification options available to you. Finally, scroll down a bit further until you see the option labeled Keep Alive Service. This is the key to stopping notifications when your device is powered down. Simply toggle this setting off, and there you have it. You've successfully turned off Telegram notifications when your phone is shut down. This simple change can make a big difference in your daily routine, allowing for a more peaceful experience away from constant notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newfound tranquility.